Hey guys, happy Diwali! Today I'm going to show you this Diwali look. So let's start! So we start with illuminating moisturizer. This is by Blair Cosmetics. I'm just gonna take a little bit and moisturize my face with this. And now I'm gonna use my favorite Forever 52 foundation. My shade is called FLF014 Honey. Apply it all over my face. Don't forget your neck. So either you can use your fingers or use a brush. I'm going to use a brush. So I am done with my foundation. We'll do the eyes first and then we'll apply concealer. So for my eyes, I've got a really interesting eyeshadow palette, which is the Morphe eyeshadow palette, and they have these amazing colors. Let me show you. Look at that, like such amazing colors. So we're going to use a little bit of silver, a little bit of gold, a little bit of blue. It's going to be fun. Let's do this. So we start with this shade, which is called Sandbar. Just going to take a little bit. This is going to be a base shade. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. So it's a nice shade. I like it. Do the same thing here. Now let's move to our next shade. Now I'm going to use this shade called Windsurf. I'm just going to take my fingertips, and because there's a little bit of silver work on my kurta, so I'm going to use this, and इसे मैं यहाँ पे अच्छे से लगा लूँगी. So pigmented. I love this shade. Can you all see that? Gonna do the same thing on this side. मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, I'm going to use this shade which is called Secret Lagoon. थोड़ा सा bluish shade है, so I'm just going to like add it here, outer corners पे, and then we blend it. So I'm going to take my brush, take very little, और ये थोड़ा सा लिया मैंने. Now I'm going to apply it here. You all can see मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ा, I've just applied it here and I'm just blending it. Blending is very important, so don't worry about the silver color, we can apply a little more. Little bit of smoky eyes, and it gives you that depth, you know, थोड़ा color. almost done. I'm just gonna take the same shade, Windsor, थोड़ा enhance करूँगी यहाँ पे. That's all. You can also add a little bit of gold if you wish to. I'm gonna take a sponge, just apply it center. Just to highlight. Now we're gonna apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara, and this is the mascara that I'll be using. So this is the Urban Decay mascara. 2 to 3 coats. If you're using falsies, great, but I don't want to use falsies today, so I'm just gonna apply mascara. Mascara done. Now I'm gonna use the same blue color very little on my waterline. And then I'm going to apply my mascara. So guys, eyes done. Now I'm going to do my brows with my favorite Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. Brows done, and as I told you before, we'll do concealer after I do my eyes. So here I have my concealer, and this is the Fenty Beauty concealer. Shade is 290. Taking very little concealer. That's all. Okay, that's it. You can use your fingertips or a concealer brush. I'm going to apply it here as well for that lift. Now time for blush, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution blush palette. It's called Sugar and Spice. Can you see how it instantly looks nice? Now your skin looks really good after you apply blush. इसके बाद हम करेंगे highlight. Highlighter again is Makeup Revolution. Everything's almost done. I do want to apply something to darken my lips. I've already applied like lip balm and अच्छा color लग रहा है इसका. So I think I should just go with like a little bit of gloss. So gloss which I'll be using today is ELF Plumping Gloss. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of gloss, because I don't want to like spoil the gloss. Lemon lip app. I'm gonna take it. I think it's perfect. I don't need any lip color. So makeup almost done. Let's finish it with the setting spray, and this is the Milani Make It Last. Guys, done wearing my jewelry. I wore a mountain cap. This is Diwali. I hope you liked my look. It was really simple because I'm wearing so much jewelry. I kept my lips really neutral, and we also had a little bit of color here on my eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll see you soon, guys. Happy Diwali!